Oh, I love Bandit. He's a sweet boy. He's the sweetest boy ever. Every day when I come home, he meets me at the door. Sometimes he's in the window for 2 hours looking for me, waiting for me to come home from work. And as soon as I get in the door, he's on the couch by the door, and he gives me a kiss. And he follows me out.
He's a rough player, and he's a snuggler, and he's just a handful.
I could sit and talk bad about him all day. That's a fact. Because he doesn't do what he's supposed to do. He doesn't listen. He has terrible gas. Bad gas.
Whether or not he's watching something, he howls. At people, at birds, at the mail lady, sometimes the TV. He loves playing with the bowling pin and cardboard boxes. Rings.
He likes to get in the tub. If he hears any kind of water dripping out of the faucet, he'll get in the tub. In and out, jumping and playing. When it comes to bath, not so much.
We can't take him to like a pet store where they have pets in there and walk him around in there because he pees on everything. He's not fixed. Other than that, he does good, but he pulls a lot on a leash. And that usually results in me running or falling or tripping of some sort. And then him spazzing out because I'm tripping and running. So he runs faster, and it's a disaster.
That dog, not so good.